Travelers palm care and benefits. Travelers palm Ravenola madagascariensis, a striking plant native to Madagascar, is not actually a palm, it belongs to the bird of paradise family. Its fan-like arrangement of leaves makes it a popular choice for adding a tropical touch to gardens and landscapes. Here's how to care for a traveler's palm and the benefits it offers. Care tips. 1. Light. Traveler's palm thrives in full sun to partial shade. It needs plenty of light to grow well, so choose a location that receives at least 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. 2. Watering cologne. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Water the plant deeply and regularly, especially during dry periods. Ensure good drainage to prevent root rot. 3. Soil. Plant in well-draining soil rich in organic matter. A mix of sandy and loamy soil works best. If planting in a container, use a high-quality potting mix with good drainage for temperature and humidity. This plant prefers warm temperatures between 65–85 degrees Fahrenheit, 18–29 degrees Celsius. It's not frost-tolerant, so in cooler climates, it should be grown in a pot and brought indoors during winter. High humidity is also beneficial for its growth. 6. Pruning. Remove dead or damaged leaves to maintain its appearance and health. Pruning also helps in preventing pest infestations. 7. Propagation. Propagate through seeds or by dividing suckers from the base of the plant. Seeds can take a long time to germinate, so division is often the preferred method. Benefits. 1. Aesthetic appeal. The traveler's palm adds a dramatic, tropical look to any garden or landscape. Its unique fan-shaped leaves are visually striking and can serve as a focal point in garden design to shade and privacy. As it matures, this plant can grow quite tall, providing shade and acting as a natural screen for privacy. 3. Environmental benefits. Like other large plants, traveler's palm contributes to improving air quality by filtering pollutants and releasing oxygen. It also supports biodiversity by providing habitat and food for various species. 4. Water collection. The base of each leaf petiole can hold rainwater, which is an adaptation to its native environment. This feature is said to have provided drinking water to thirsty travelers, hence the name traveler's palm. Final thoughts. Traveler's palm is a captivating plant that brings a touch of the exotic to any garden. With the right care, it can grow into a magnificent specimen, offering both aesthetic and environmental benefits. Regular watering, adequate light, and proper soil conditions are key to its successful cultivation.